Okay, so pocketing is definitely creating dust, which is not a good thing. I need to revisit the feeds and speeds. This could have been done way faster, I'm guessing, too. Last step will be the contouring. I'm going to cut this out. It's going to be, I'm using tabs, so I'm going to have to change the bit again. It's getting a lot of chatter because I think this is not attached, so it's getting too thin and starting to move. So we'll try this again. Okay, so the absolute very first model I've cut with this custom CNC. Got to remove tabs, clean it up. So no bits broken. There's definitely chatter in this ridge. I think because it was not tied down here. These edges look fine. The cutouts didn't go all the way through. Well, actually they did. They just pushed the, so I should be able to push those tabs just out and deburr it. So we'll clean it up and look at the end result. Okay, so cleaned up, just deburred. This is the absolute very first cut that I made with the custom CNC that I built. Went way too slow. I got chips definitely on the facing, and the facing feels very smooth. There's actually, so the tramming worked fine. I have chatter on the contour, and I think that has to do with the fact that it was not entirely tied down on this side of the bed, so there was probably motion in the metal, and that would have created the chatter, but I'll have to further verify. The pocketing went way too slow, and I was definitely creating dust, so I need to figure out the proper feeds and speeds for the tiny bit. It's a 1/8 bit, and I just didn't want to crack it on my first try, so, but I'm gonna have to figure out the right speeds. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with the results from my custom CNC.